was all. Ash saw beyond what filled the screen and found the purpose in the dream. Skill could sharpen every hand, but purpose showed us where to stand. We learned what truly made us strong was knowing what had mattered all along. Knowing what counts, it starts within. Before the outer work begins, a willing heart can learn the art. When purpose gives the mind its start. Knowing what counts, put people first. Before the method is rehearsed. When trust becomes our common ground, the strongest future can be found. We coach the team with patient care and watch belief awaken there. Every lesson landed right when inner purpose gave it light. Tools grew sharper day by day because conviction led the way. Technique followed willing hearts and turned belief to stronger starts. Knowing what counts, it starts within. Before the outer work begins, a willing heart can learn the art. When purpose gives the mind its start. Knowing what counts, put people first. Before the method is rehearsed. When trust becomes our common ground, the strongest future can be found. Then the skill. Knowing what counts, it starts within. Where every lasting work begins, a faithful heart can shape the art. When purpose gives the soul its start. Knowing what counts, put people first. Before the method is rehearsed. With Ash our values guide us still. First comes the mindset, then the skill.